Do not share your PDF before doing this. It might still have personal data, confidential text, or other sensitive information, and this video will show you how to hide it properly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mark a PDF file for redaction and apply redaction in the PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. You can choose to black out text, white it out, or even use any color you want to cover sensitive content. So let's get started. In Systweak PDF Editor, go to the Secure tab. Here you'll find the Mark Redaction option. When you click on it, two choices appear: Whiteout and Mark Region. Whiteout will simply cover the selected area with white, just like using a white marker on paper. Mark Region lets you highlight or block out content in any color you prefer. Let's start with whiteout. Click on it, and if a quick tutorial pops up, just hit OK to proceed. Now select the text or area you want to hide. Once you've marked it, click Apply Redaction from the toolbar and confirm by clicking OK. And that's it. The whiteout will be applied, making the content invisible. Now let's check out Mark Region. Again, click on Mark Redaction and choose Mark Region. After you click OK on the prompt, you can pick any color for marking. Just select the text or area you want to cover. Now click Apply Redaction and confirm with OK. The selected region will now be covered in the color you chose, keeping the content hidden or marked as per your need. You can also find and redact specific text in the PDF file using the Search and Redact option. Just click on Search and Redact, type the word or phrase in the search bar you want to hide, and choose a color for marking. Then click Apply All Marks and confirm with OK. All matching text will be redacted automatically. Save the PDF file, the changes will be saved. Now your personal data is secured and remains hidden from others. So that's how simple it is to protect sensitive content in your PDFs using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If this video has helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. It's a small click for you, but it keeps us going and brings more helpful content your way. Got a question or stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments. I'll try to help. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.